Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. Now today we start this our long sound of vowel. Open your book page number 38. Okay. Now first of all I start this track 27, 28 and 29. Okay. Listen this carefully. Then we start here. Now I start. 27.
Kite, rope, 9, cake, rice, line, name, page, home, phone,
Track 28. Tim, time, Sam, same. Track 29. Let's wait for the train. Stay away from the wet paint.
there's a snail on the railway. I hate snails. I hate rainy days.
Here comes the train. Move away, snail! Okay, boys. Here we study today long sound of vowel A, I, and U. A, I, and U. These three vowel we revise. Now I start on the sheet. Listen carefully. Look here. A, kite, cake, page, rice, home, line, phone, rope, name, nine. Now here you look in kite, the sound of I is long. In cake, the vowel A sound is long. Here also vowel A. Here vowel I. Here vowel O. Here vowel I. Here vowel O. Here vowel O. And here vowel A. And here vowel I. Okay. Now here first of all revise little bit short sound and long sound. Now here what? Team, time, Sam, same, wave, wave, nin, nine, cake, cake, fair, fire, writ, right. Okay, here all short sound of vowel and here long sound of vowel. Rice, five, kite, home, phone, plane, excite. Okay, these are long sound of vowel I, A, and O. Now here vowel I: bit, bite, hit, hide, kit, kite, din, here dine, fin, fine. Look here, there is no E. Here no E, and here this is short sound. If come here E, then this E don't have any sound, but sound I become long. Okay, what is short sound? A, but it, bit, here bite, ha, it, here A, this is short, hid, hide, here E come, then it become long sound I, hide, ice, hide, ride, tide, white, bike, hike, like, mic, file, mile, dime, line, dine, line, nine, nine, ripe, wipe, tire, dive, hive. Look here come E, and this sound I become long. Now here IE. When come IE, also sound I become long. Lie, pie, tie. And when after I come GH no sound, but the sound of I become long. High, nigh, sigh, light, night, right, sight, tight. And here short word, one syllable, and here at the end Y. Buy, my, cry, dry, fry, try, fly, ply, tie, y. Okay, these are long sound of vowel I. Okay, boys, this is our topic today. You must be wise. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.